Welcome, and thank you for joining us. Today we're going to talk about how life changes impact your insurance, and more importantly, what you should review to stay properly protected. As your life evolves, your coverage should evolve with it. Here's what we'll cover. First, why life changes matter. Then, the most common life events, and what you should review for each one. We'll also look at common gaps and finish with simple next steps. Insurance is not something you set once and forget. Your coverage should change as your life changes. Most gaps happen during transitions. Buying a home, changing jobs, starting a business. Many people don't realize they're underinsured until something happens. That's what we want to help you avoid. Buying a home is a major milestone. One key concept is replacement cost versus market value. Your policy should cover what it costs to rebuild, not what you paid. This is also a good time to consider umbrella coverage. It adds an extra layer of liability protection. When your family grows, your financial responsibilities grow. Life insurance helps protect your family's future. Disability insurance protects your income, and your income supports your household. Also, make sure your beneficiaries are up to date. Owning a business introduces new risks. Personal policies typically do not cover business exposures. You may need coverage like general liability, professional liability, cyber insurance, and EPLI. A common mistake is assuming you're covered. In most cases, you're not. A job change often means new benefits. But employer coverage is usually limited, and it may not follow you if you leave. This is where individual policies come in. They stay with you no matter where you work. As you approach retirement, your needs begin to shift. There is less focus on income protection and more focus on protecting your assets. Healthcare costs become more important. Long-term care may also be part of the conversation, and liability risk does not go away. Putting assets in a trust. This is a very common gap. When assets are placed in a trust, ownership changes. Your insurance policy must reflect that change. The trust needs to be listed properly. If it's not, it can create issues during a claim. The good news is, this is usually an easy fix. We see the same issues come up again and again. Coverage limits that haven't been updated, no umbrella policy, relying only on employer benefits, and not reviewing policies on a regular basis. These are all preventable. The next steps are simple. Review your policies at least once a year. Update your coverage after major life events. Ask questions. Make sure you understand what you have. And work with an advisor, like our team at Professional Insurance Programs, who can help identify gaps. If you've experienced any of these life changes, now is a great time to review your coverage. Our team at Professional Insurance Programs is here to help. We can walk through your policies, answer your questions, and help you identify gaps. You can schedule a review or request a quote. We can be reached at 800-637-4676, info@profinsprog.com, or www.insuranceformembers.com. Thank you again for your time today.